Hello and welcome to Information System for Business Professionals video series. This tutorial guides you through the installation of SQL Express 2014 edition. Go to your web browser and search for download Microsoft SQL Server Express 2014. Select the Microsoft SQL Server Express 2014 link. Start the download by selecting the download button. Now, select the version of SQL Express you want to download. Whether you have a 32-bit or 64-bit operating system, you will need to download the Express ADV version. For this example, I am running a 64-bit system, so I am choosing the Express ADV 64-bit download. This package contains all the components of SQL Server Express, including the full version of SQL Server 2014 Management Studio. This is a larger download than with tools, as it also includes both full text search and reporting services. SQL Express installation files will now download. Depending on your internet connection speed, this may take a bit of time. The file size is 1.1 GB. When the download is completed, select the downloaded file to launch the install wizard. A default location for the extract files is displayed. If you are OK with this location, simply select OK. If not, enter your preferred location and select OK. The install process begins. Now, you will be prompted with how you want to install SQL Express. Select the SQL Server standalone installation. The installation process resume. When prompted with the installation type, be sure the Perform a new installation of SQL Express option is selected. Then select Next. If you accept the license terms, be sure to click that option and select Next. Now, for instance configuration, you have the option to enter the name of your SQL Express instance. For simplicity, I will leave the instance name as SQL Express. Select Next to continue. For the reporting services configuration, leave the default setting and select Next. If your installation is completed successfully, you will see the displayed screen. You can close this screen. You can now launch SQL Server Express. When you first run SQL Express, you will be prompted to select a server name to connect. Remember, in the example of this install, we used SQL Express as the server name. To find this server, select the Browse for More option in the Server drop-down. Expand the database engine options. Note, I happen to have a full install of SQL Server, so in this example, we see two options. We will select the SQL Express server engine, then select OK. Now, connect by selecting the Connect button. A shell of SQL Server is now displayed. Note, you can see the Object Explorer. From here, you can view different elements of your server. Example, if you expand your databases, you will notice there is a default database already created. There, another easy software install. In a separate video, we will show you how to create and manage a database. Creating a database and populating it with data will be covered in the SQL Lab assignment video. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. If you have any questions, Please do not hesitating posting a question in the instruction discussion forum in the online classroom.